guys, let's here with another unboxing video of my new case, the hard case for the Mavic 2 Pro drone. And I've been searching on the internet and also YouTube for like what is the best case, and also what is the best value for money. What's the best, what's the best one for me? It doesn't necessarily have to be the best one for you, but this was the best case for me, and I'll tell you why. So without further ado, let's unbox.
How did I get here?
Now I actually did already open it because I couldn't wait to see it. But yeah, it's like a little kid with Christmas. When your present comes with the mailman, you gotta open it. Anyway, this is it. The Outdoor Case Type-3000 from B&W. It's a German company, and it's actually German quality as well. Like I said, I've been roaming the internet to see what's the best case in terms of quality. Money, not that important, of course, a little bit, but if I have to spend a little more for much better quality, I will. And I mean, it's a €1,500. It's €1,500 drone. I mean, it's not a toy, so you should properly protect it, which this case will definitely do. So let's start with this, the opening latch. Right, I'm going to show you in another camera. This is the latch to open it. This one, right, and it closes. It doesn't open that easy. You have to put your finger behind, and then it does open easy. Up. But what's more important is like this. You see that? That is protecting the suitcase or the clasp, the closing mechanism, from being damaged if you should drop the case. Because I did see another YouTube video of testing of another brand case, and they actually dropped it from like, I don't know, 3-4 meters high. The case didn't break, but it landed sort of on the clasp, and the clasp like broke off, and then your case is worthless. So, yeah. Next to Pelican cases or Peli case, whatever you want to call it, I think this is the very best. It's a shared number one for me. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Oh! Almost got me there. This is inside. The insert for the Mavic 2 Pro, 4 batteries, the remote controller, some filters, the charger, and extra stuff if you want it. Let me show you that on a different camera. There you go. There goes the Mavic 2. There goes the 4 batteries, charger, some filters if you want. I've just ordered some in today from Polar Pro, so I will be unboxing them tomorrow. The charger, remote control. And what's actually pretty cool about this case, first, this thing, you see that? Can you see? No, this camera's better. So you can stick in your iPad or Android tablet or even a 13-inch MacBook Pro if you want, or whatever MacBook, or whatever laptop for that matter. So if you would, or your Crystal Sky, you can put in there. Anyway, lots of room, lots of space for everything. The Mavic 2 Pro with the Fly More combo kit, whatever you want. And what's the coolest thing about this is, like, you can. Oh, okay, let me show you. You take this out, right? Now, you take this out, right? Put this aside. Now, what you do, this is the charging hub, right? The charging hub. You stick the charging hub right there. There's actually space, especially, you see the thingy there, right? Okay, so let's put the charging hub there. It fits exactly. Beautiful, right? You see? It's a little bit too dark here, isn't it? So now you have that there. Now, if you look here in the bottom, the charger, which is here, connects, goes there, and goes in there. Let me see how this fits. I think because the connection is now in line. Yes, it is. Beautiful, perfect. So now stick that in there. Ooh, it's gonna fall out. I mean, you only have to do this once, the fiddling about with the cable and the charger, because when it's in there, you can just leave it there. Okay, so now we have the connection here. Something like that, I guess. Okay. Beautiful. So, right? Now it's like that. The charger is there. And there's the hub, right? So now what you do is whenever you're, I don't know, you can just leave this at home. You stick the batteries in like this, right? There's one, there's two. Make sure they're properly connected. You put this in between to hold them firmly in place when traveling. Okay, so if you have more than 3 batteries like me, you can put even 4 right there. Okay, so now all you have to do when you get home or get to somewhere with a power outlet, right? You just stick this in like that, put it in the outlet, and it will charge. So, okay, this goes in the extra compartment up there. You can put that there to protect the rest. The what is it? Battery to power bank adapter, right there. Okay, the remote controller goes, what is it like? Oh, hang on. Under the compartment for the remote controller, right there, if you look closely, there's an extra bit part cut out. That's for the wings, an extra set of wings, propellers. Okay, stick the remote right there. And finally, last but not least, the drone itself, the Mavic 2 Pro, goes right there and it fits like a glove. Beautiful, perfect. Right? I'm very, very happy with this case. So all that's left to do for me is go out and fly this thing. I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Yeah. That's it. The unboxing of the Outdoor Case Type-3000 from B&W for the Mavic 2 Pro. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Hallelujah.